Hello travelers, so today we're taking a look at this sling backpack from a company called Waterfly. This is a single strapped backpack style bag that is perfect for a day bag for walking around. It weighs about 1 pound or 450 grams and has a surprisingly abundant amount of organizational pockets inside. It doesn't list it on the website, but given the dimensions of the bag, it works out to be about 12 liters in capacity. In the main compartment there is a sleeve at the back for laptops or books. On the inner front section there are 3 pouches and 1 pen holder. Around on the front of the bag there's a zippered front pocket, which is actually quite deep and has an accessory hook for your keys. I've mainly been using this bag as a day bag for short trips to the city, and I have found it to be quite a good size capacity, and the organizational pockets are quite useful. I like the single strap design and I find it comfortable and easy to wear. The strap can also be unhooked and switched to the other side if you prefer, and there is also a buckle which you can unclip to take the bag off more easily. I tended to prefer just putting it over my head though, as I found that more easy. In terms of price, it comes in at about $25 or 36 Australian, which is fairly reasonable for the product that you get. It feels well built and the zips are smooth and don't catch. There's a lot of good organizational pockets and it has a nice clean design. I just wish the logo was a little bit more discreet on the back of the bag. Overall, if you're in the market for a small day bag or sling bag, I would definitely recommend checking out Waterfly's website. They have a lot of interesting bags and a lot of different designs at affordable prices. So that's it, thanks very much for watching and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos.